Hello everyone, today I am reviewing the Ozito PXC 18V high pressure air inflator. This is a skin only tool, so the battery and the charger are sold separately. This inflator is designed for everyday jobs like car tires, bike tires and sport balls. It is the part of Ozito power exchange system, meaning you can use the 18V battery across many Ozito tools. The unit is compact, lightweight and easy to carry. It comes with digital display that allows you to set the pressure in PSI bar or kilopascals. Once the pressure is set, the inflator automatically stops when it reaches the target value. I tested the pressure accuracy using the inflator. After inflating the tire, I checked the pressure again using the fuel station inflator. You may be surprised, the pressure reading was exactly same on the both gauges. This shows the digital gauge on the Ozito inflator is very accurate and reliable. Operation is very simple. Connect the hose, set the pressure and press start. The cordless design is very convenient for home or roadside use. However, because this is skin only, you will need the battery if you don't already own one. It is ideal for light to medium tasks, not heavy workshop use. Overall, this is a practical and accurate inflator for everyday use. If you already have PCX batteries, it offers great value and convenience. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.